Hey guys, I'm Maggie.
And I'm Rebecca.
So in today's video we're going to be showing you some of the musically thing that you do with your hands and stuff. So first we're going to show you how we do it so you guys can get a little memo of what this is and what we're going to be teaching you. So you messed up. You snapped on the third one.
Okay, wait, let's try that again. Sorry. Oops. Okay, do it.
Okay. So now we're going to teach you how to do it. So the first step is,
So if you guys have more than 2 people, the first one starts off doing 2, and then the next person, and then the next person until everybody goes. And then when everybody goes, you all start doing the routine.
so basically you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if there's 3 people, you're going to go another 2, and then if 4 people, another 2, 5.
Yeah, until you get everybody.
Until everybody gets to go like this, and then you start the... Yeah. So we're just going to do the beginning, and then we're going to teach you the harder parts.
Yeah.
And then it goes boom, 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 boom. Then this one's different. Boom, 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 boom. Since there's
So you don't snap.
you go down.
Yeah.
And then boom, 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 boom. And
So it's
then
technically the same thing, but just one part is different.
the third one.
Yeah, the third one.
You can always extend it if there's more people, but
But you would all finish at the same time.
all of you. It just makes it sound better. So
So this is what we'll sound like. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and turn on those post notifications so whenever we upload, you guys will be the first ones to see our YouTube video. So, bye!